Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can fix your touchpad in Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you have to come over the search options and search for device manager. Here you can see, click on it, maximize it, and then you have to come over these mice and other pointing devices options, click on it, and then update them all one by one. Do the same for the second one, same for the third one, and the fourth one, and the fifth one, and the sixth one. After doing all and update all the complement mouse options over here, now what you have to do, you have to come over these human interface devices, and then here we will get the HID complaint touchpad over here. Just click on it and then press your right mouse button and click on update. Search automatically for drivers. I think this is how you can fix your problem. If it's not, then come over, browse my computer for drivers. Click let me pick from a list of available drivers on the computer. And you have these two, so click on this and click next. And by this, your update driver will be updated. And by this, you can fix your touchpad problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.